Well, alright. Red here from Red Collector. Just came in the mail today, Snow Glow Elsa from Disney's Frozen. This is how it looks in the box. Excuse the weird dragging noise there. This is a beautiful, beautiful Elsa doll. A toddler version of the Elsa doll. At the store, you can press this and hear the music, hear whatever.
I'm Princess Elsa Arendelle. I can do snow magic. Wanna see? Let it go! Let it go! When I'll rise like a break on dawn. Let it go! Let it go! That perfect world is gone.
Beautiful. Well, alright, we're gonna do a quick unboxing here and see what this is all about. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to show you the back of the box. There's Anna, Elsa. There's the Anna version. This is what we got over here. This one, rather. And here we go. Let's get to unboxing. Well, alright, this beautiful doll comes with removable shoes, the legs move, it stands up by itself, the arms move, head moves, it's all articulated, and the best part is it talks, it sings, and the dress and the pendant all light up.
I'm Princess Elsa Arendelle. I can do snow magic. Wanna see? Let it go! Let it go! When I'll rise like a...
Well, alright guys, I turned out the lights so you can see the glow a little better.
I'm Princess Elsa Arendelle. I can do snow magic. Wanna see? Let it go! Let it go! When I'll rise like a break on dawn. Let it go!
So right now, this Elsa's in test mode. If we flip it around the back here, put it in play mode, what I like to call play mode, it plays and says a lot more things.
Wanna play again? Let it go! Let it go! When I'll rise like a break on dawn. Let it go! Let it go! That perfect world is gone.
I like warm hugs. Hi, Elsa. What are you doing? Can you sing for me?
I'm Princess Elsa Arendelle. I can do snow magic. Wanna see? Let it go! Let it go! When I'll rise like a break on dawn. Let it go! Let it go! That perfect world is gone.
Well, alright. There you have it. Snow Glow Elsa from Disney's Frozen. If you liked the video, please hit like, and we'd love if you would subscribe. Until next time, this is Red from Red Collector, signing off. Bye-bye.